Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Now, I had something in Germany a long time ago and fell in love with it. Being a curry fan, it was absolutely fantastic for me. Okay, we are going to make Germany's Currywurst sauce. Absolutely delicious, so simple and easy to make. Now, this is my version of Currywurst, but I'll tell you, the flavors are bursting. It's fruity, tomatoey, currified. It's delicious, and it is definitely one to make at home. So let's show you how to make it. Right guys, it was simple ingredients actually. We've got some onion, some tomato puree, some apple juice, apple cider vinegar, sugar, curry powder, garlic and ginger, some salt, a whole load of ketchup, and that's it. So it's very simple guys. What we need to do is get the pan on, get some oil in and start frying the onions. Let's do this. Okay guys, let's get a flame on, heat up the pan and go in with some oil. So we want a little bit of oil in our pan, and then we want to go in with our garlic and ginger. So get our garlic and ginger in there. Oh, that sounds hot. Get the garlic and ginger in, give it a stir around. And then in with our onions. Get our onions in there. Start to give them a little bit of a sweat down. In with a pinch of salt guys, a reasonable pinch of salt. Give them a stir around. We don't want to burn any of this. You know, Currywurst was invented just after the war, and it's gone on from being a quick type of sauce dish on different things to being a national curry sauce. It's amazing. So we just need to sweat that down a little bit guys. We need to make sure that the garlic rawness has come out and a little bit of the rawness has come out of the onions. And then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Now, you don't have to worry about these going brown or anything. We don't want them to go brown, and it's going to be liquidized. So nice and steady then. Now there's all sorts of variations on the internet, you know, and the way people cook. They add water, they add Worcestershire sauce, they add all sorts of kind of things to make a Currywurst sauce. This one's tomatoey and fruity. It's delicious. Okay, so we want to be going in with our curry powder. Get our curry powder in there. Give it a stir around. So this is where we need to start to be careful guys, alright? We don't want to burn any of this. Okay, in with our apple cider vinegar. Give that a stir in. Keep it cooking. In with our sugar. In with our apple juice. The aroma out of this pan is incredible. It's like curried apples. Okay, and then we want to be adding about 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, but I'm using a chef's spoon. So we'll get that in there. Give it a stir around. And then when this comes to the boil, when it starts bubbling, we're going to go in with 1 kilo of tomato ketchup. Okay, so put our tomato ketchup in there. And then we need to bring this back up to the boil, and we need to keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. And that is the basis of our Currywurst sauce. Now you have to be careful with this sauce, guys. It will boil over. It will bubble up. And it's already started to bubble up. Now this makes a fantastic Currywurst sauce. But if you wanted to add more curry powder, you want a little bit stronger on the curry flavour, add more curry powder. Now I can tell you now, guys, that when this is cooked out, it's ready to go straight away. However, if you can leave it a couple of days, all the flavors come together. It's superb. Put it in a squeezy bottle, put it in the fridge, squirt it over your sausage bread roll, stuffed with onions and some fries. Do it the German takeaway way. So there's nothing complicated about this sauce at all. We just need to cook it now for about 15-20 minutes. And that's it, guys. Okay, guys, what we got to do now? Just got to blend it out, and then we put it back on. We blend it out and then we put it back on the flame to recook it for about 10 minutes. We get it back on the flame and we cook it for another 10 minutes just to bring all that flavour together from all that minced onions and everything we've just liquidized. Flame on low and slow and just cook it all through. Nice and gently for about 10 minutes. And we'll have an absolutely amazing Currywurst sauce. It smells amazing in here already. There we are, guys. Turn off the flame, take the sauce off, and now what we need to do is we need to let this cool down completely, and then we'll put it in a squeezy bottle. Oh, look at that, guys. A thing of beauty. Oh, all we gotta do now is try and give it a try. Here we go. That is absolutely amazing. Messy, but amazing. There you are, guys. If you like what we're doing, don't forget like and subscribe, ring the notification bell, all that sort of stuff, and we'll catch you next time.